As a model living in Los Angeles, I am constantly sitting in a makeup chair, and I take my skincare prep very seriously because I want to make sure that the makeup artists have a really easy time working on my skin. And this process starts the night before the shoot, so I need to make sure that I am taking off all of my makeup to start my skin prep. I'm gonna go in with the Aloe Glow System Cleanser to make sure that I get all of the makeup off. Next, I'm gonna use the Ole Henriksen Barrier Booster Essence, and it smells like oranges. We love an aromatherapy and skincare moment. Now I'm gonna take out my Avant Intensive Restoring Moisturizer, and it's packed with a ton of moisturizing ingredients. Now this next product is really my secret weapon. This is the In-Depth Recovery Collagen Hydra-Surge Overnight Mask, and it's gonna seal in all of that moisture to make sure that my skin is supple and plump the next day. So we're gonna go to sleep with it on. Then the next morning, I love to do a quick little eye mask right before I head to set. This one by Grace and Stella is literally like an energy drink, but for your eyes. And once I take it off, I'm glowy and I look rested. And now I'm ready to head to set.